guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you guys came back because today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a microwave cookie. It's so easy to make and it's delicious. So without further ado, let's just get straight onto the video. Let's go. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get 1 tablespoon of butter and leave it out at room temperature for a couple of hours. Then put it in a small container and add a tiny pinch of salt. To that, you're going to want to add 1 tablespoon of white sugar along with 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Then you're just going to want to mix it. I like to use a spoon because I get to cut through the butter and it just speeds up the process. The reason why I'm using 2 different types of sugars is because the white sugar makes sure that the outside of the cookie is going to be a little crusty and the inside is chewy and gooey. Once that's all mixed up, you're going to want to separate an egg yolk from an egg white. I had a lot of trouble with this. I don't know why. I'm usually good at cracking eggs, but for some weird reason, I just couldn't get them cracked and separated. So my first time, it was going well until it just fell. So my second time, I was separating it, and then the egg yolk just completely split and cracked. So the third time, I decided to use this egg separator thingy, and I cracked it. As you can see, I still had some difficulties with that, but once I cracked it, everything was going smoothly until the egg yolk separated from the white, and then the egg yolk just broke. So finally, I decided just to get an eggshell and scoop out the egg yolk from the first egg. I don't know why I didn't think of this earlier, but I didn't. So then I'm going to add that yolk to my batter and just mix it. This makes the batter so smooth and really easy to mix. Once the egg is mixed with your batter, you're going to want to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of a high quality vanilla extract. I'm using this one, and once you add your vanilla, just mix it up like you did with the rest of the ingredients, and then the last and final ingredient is 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. When you add your first tablespoon, make sure you start out mixing it slowly so all the flour doesn't go flying everywhere. Once it's a little bit incorporated, then you could start mixing faster and faster. I like to add 1 tablespoon at a time because I just find it's really easy to mix it in without getting a big mess. The batter should thicken up, but it shouldn't be a dough. It should be in between a dough and a cake batter. For some reason, my camera flopped, so I'm really sorry for that. But basically, all you're going to want to do now is just smooth out your batter and make sure it's all even, so when you put it in the microwave, it cooks evenly. I put mine in for a total of 1 minute, but you could put it in about roughly for 45 seconds to a minute and 15 seconds. Once your cookie is cooked, eat it and just enjoy it. This is super good and I really think you guys should try it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I sure did. That cookie was delicious, even though it was more on the cake side. And if you guys also like this video, just make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, smash that red subscribe button down below, and while you're at it, just comment down below what you think I should do in my next video. If it's a DIY or a baking video, just tell me and I might do it. So that's all for today, and I'll see you next time. Bye!